Hi everyone, hope you are doing well. So today I have this Sony Walkman WM EX650, which is quite a nice Walkman. It's all metallic. It works on one AA battery. It's auto reverse. It has Dolby, of course. On this side we have the volume control and nothing on this side. And as you open it, there's the inside, and the read head is on this side. So let's get right into it. Hopefully it's only gonna need a belt, but you never know with these devices, there's always surprises. Okay, so we have two clips on this end, and of course the belt is too loose, as I will demonstrate. Whenever you hear a Walkman make this noise, it will usually be the belt. As you heard. So there it is. There's no traction on the belt whatsoever. All the spools are clean. I think I get why the need for a good belt on this particular type of Walkman, because there's a lot of models that have this same configuration of the belt in motor and spools. So if you notice, this spool moves up a little bit. It moves basically thanks to the tension on the belt. If you notice, there it goes. And when you press stop, it goes back into place. But always when it's going to play, it needs to come up, so it does need a little bit of tension on the belt. Alright, so that was quite straightforward. Now let's put in a tape and give it a test. The head seems to be clean.
One eternity later.
Found it. Alright, so there you go folks. Hope you enjoyed. If that was useful, you can leave a like. Otherwise you can subscribe, and until next time, this was the Electron Age. Bye.